guys, it's Mona here at Craft Clutch. I thought I'd give you a quick update and do a little I went shopping for craft stuff video. So things have been very irregular for a while and will be for a while still. Now I do have 3 videos I'm hoping to get up before Valentine's Day, so I'm in a bit of a crunch for that, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But there's a move at the end of March, and my dad just had open heart surgery, so there's lots of stuff that's just been going down, and life just gets in the way. I'm still here. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere else, and I'll give you updates as I can. But I wanted to just show you stuff that I got at the Dollar Tree for some Valentine's Day projects that I'm behind in getting done, but I'm still hoping to get done before Valentine's Day. After the move, I'll be without a craft room, so I'm going to have to get a little creative with that too. So we'll see how that goes. So when I was at Dollar Tree, and not even my Dollar Tree, I was out of town, I found 3 of these wooden hearts. And we are going to do 3 versions of the wooden hearts. If you remember, I did 4 versions of the Christmas ornaments, and if you didn't see that, be sure to check those out. But we're going to do 3 versions of the hearts. And it doesn't have to just be for Valentine's Day, but that's kind of where I'm going with it. I have a couple things that I'm going to use with it that I bought from there also. I bought these vase fillers. I bought 2 of them. They're like little styrofoam balls in red, pink, and white. I bought these beaded necklaces that are hearts. And I bought an XOXO. So that's what's going down here. And I'm going to try to get to work on those projects, get those videos edited amongst finding movers, packing, all kinds of crazy stuff. And getting Dad healthy. So thanks guys. I know this was a quickie video. I just wanted to kind of give you a little sneak preview, and watch out for those videos. They will be coming up pretty soon, and hopefully, and I'll see you next time, you guys. Thanks so much. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.